Good morning. Welcome to our cafe.
Good morning. Thank you. I'm new in America, and I'd like to order a coffee.
Of course, we have several kinds of coffee. Would you like regular coffee, espresso, or cappuccino?
I'm not sure. What is the difference between them?
That's a great question. Regular coffee has a mild flavor and comes in a larger cup.
I see. What about espresso?
Espresso is much stronger. It comes in a very small cup but has a rich and intense flavor.
So, espresso is stronger than regular coffee?
Yes, exactly. It has a more concentrated taste.
And what is a cappuccino?
A cappuccino is made with espresso, steamed milk, and milk foam. It has a creamy texture and a smoother taste than espresso.
That sounds interesting. Does it still taste like coffee?
Yes, but the milk makes it less strong and more balanced.
Which one do most beginners choose?
Many people who are new to coffee enjoy cappuccino because it's smooth and easy to drink.
Then, I think I'll try a cappuccino.
Excellent choice. Would you like sugar with it?
Just 1 spoon of sugar, please.
Certainly. Anything else for you today?
No, thank you. I'm excited to try my first American cappuccino.
I'll bring it to your table in just a few minutes.
Thank you very much for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Enjoy your drink and have a wonderful day in America.
Scene 1. The pasta is cold.
Excuse me, waiter.
Yes, ma'am, how can I help you?
My food is cold.
Oh, I'm really sorry about that. Which dish is cold?
The pasta. It's supposed to be hot. But it's not warm at all.
I see. Let me take it back to the kitchen.
Yes, please. I can't eat it like this.
I completely understand. Would you like me to bring a fresh plate?
Yes, that would be great.
All right, I'll get a new one made right away.
Thank you. I hope it won't take too long.
Don't worry, it'll just take a few minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Here's your pasta, ma'am. It's hot and freshly made.
Oh, thank you so much. Let me check.
Sure, please go ahead.
Yes, this one is perfect now.
I'm glad to hear that. Sorry again for the cold food earlier.
That's okay. Thanks for fixing it so quickly.
You are welcome.
Scene 2. Ordering food.
Hey, can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go. Let me know if you need any help.
Thanks. What do you recommend?
Our burgers are really popular, especially the spicy chicken one.
Sounds good. Is it really spicy though?
Not too bad. Just a little kick.
All right, I'll try that. Can I get it with fries?
Sure. Regular or curly fries.
Curly, definitely. And can I get a Coke with that?
Yep. Do you want it medium or large?
Let's go with large.
Got it. Anything else?
Do you guys have any desserts?
Yeah. We've got brownies, ice cream, and cheesecake.
Oh, cheesecake sounds tempting.
It's really good. Wanna add a slice?
Yeah, why not? Let's do it.
All right. So that's a spicy chicken burger with curly fries.
Yep, that's it.
Awesome. I'll get that started. Should be ready in about 10 minutes.
Scene 3. Making a mistake while ordering food.
Excuse me. I think I ordered the wrong meal.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I accidentally asked for a beef burger. But I don't eat beef.
Don't worry at all. We can fix this for you.
Really? I was afraid I'd have to pay again.
No need to worry. We'll just change your order.
Thank you. That's such a relief.
Would you like to switch it to chicken or maybe vegetarian?
Chicken, please. That's what I meant to order.
Great choice. I'll cancel the beef burger right away.
I really appreciate your help.
It happens all the time. Don't feel bad.
I was worried I'd cause trouble.
Not at all. It's our job to make sure you're happy with your meal.
That's very kind of you.
Your chicken burger will be ready in just a few minutes.
Thank you. I feel much better now.
I'm glad to hear that. Anything else with your order?
No, that's perfect.
Wonderful. I'll bring it to your table shortly.
Scene 4. Asking for seat by the window.
Good evening. How many people?
2, please. A table near the window, if possible.
Of course. Here's the menu. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, 2 glasses of water, please.
Sure. Are you ready to order? Or would you like a few more minutes?
We're ready. I'll have the spaghetti carbonara.
And I'll take the grilled salmon with.
Great choices. Would you like any starters?
Yes, tomato soup and garlic bread, please.
Perfect. Anything else?
That's all for now. Thank you.
I'll be right back with your drinks.
Scene 5. Asking to make the dish less spicy.
Good evening. What would you like to order today?
Hi, I'm thinking about trying the chicken curry.
Great choice. It's one of our most popular dishes.
Sounds good. But tell me, is that dish spicy?
It has a medium level of spice. Not too hot, but flavorful.
I don't handle spicy food very well.
No problem. We can make it mild for you if you prefer.
Oh, that's perfect. Please make it mild then.
Sure. Would you like rice or bread with it?
I'll take rice, please.
Noted. Would you like something to drink? Maybe a mango lassi?
I heard it helps with spice.
Yes, that's a great idea. It's sweet and cooling.
Perfect. I'll go with that then.
Anything else you'd like to try?
Maybe some samosas as a starter. Are they spicy?
Just a little, mostly flavorful, not hot.
Okay, I'll try them too.
Wonderful. 1 mild chicken curry, rice, samosas, and a mango lassi.
That's right. Thank you for helping me choose.
Scene 6. Compliment to the chef.
How was everything?
Absolutely delicious. The salmon was perfectly cooked, and the pasta was creamy and flavorful. Compliments to the chef.
I'm glad you liked it. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
We have chocolate mousse, fruit salad, and cheesecake today.
We'll share 1 chocolate mousse, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that'll be all. Can we have the bill, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a lovely evening.
You too. Scene 7. Ordering coffee.
Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Great. Would you like any milk or sugar in your coffee?
Yes, a little milk and 1 spoon of sugar, please.
No problem. Would you like to try any flavor? Like vanilla or caramel?
Vanilla sounds nice. Let's add that.
Perfect. Anything else for you today?
Yes, could I also get a chocolate muffin?
Of course. Would you like it warmed up?
Yes, please, that would be great.
All right, a medium vanilla coffee and a warm chocolate muffin. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. How much is it?
That'll be $6.50, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in a moment.
Thanks a lot. I can't wait for my coffee.
Scene 8. Dinner planning. Hey, Tom. What's for dinner tonight?
I'm not sure yet. Do you feel like eating something light or heavy?
maybe something light? How about grilled chicken with salad?
That sounds healthy. But I was thinking of pasta, maybe spaghetti with tomato sauce.
Oh, that's good too. We could add some garlic bread on the side.
Great idea. Or we can order from that new Italian restaurant nearby.
Yes, let's check their menu online. What do you fancy, pizza, pasta, or risotto?
I'll go for pasta carbonara. It's creamy and delicious.
I think I'll try their grilled salmon with steamed vegetables.
Nice choice. Would you like soup as a starter?
Sure, maybe tomato soup. What about dessert?
How about chocolate mousse or fruit salad?
Let's share a chocolate mousse.
Perfect. I'll place the order. Do you want water or juice with your meal?
Just water for me. Scene 9. Checking menu. Online. Wow, look at this menu. They have pizza, pasta, risotto, and seafood.
Everything looks delicious. What do you recommend?
Maybe try their spaghetti carbonara? It's creamy and rich.
Sounds good. What's your choice?
I think I'll have grilled salmon with steamed vegetables.
That's a healthy option. Should we add a starter?
Yes, maybe tomato soup or garlic bread.
Let's get both.
I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.